Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and if you're not familiar with our videos, we do these every day of the week on weekdays, and we show you what's new in the shop and some things to excite you to keep sewing or to try something new. So we have lots of new patterns to share with you today. I will start over here. This is one of our Riley Blake Door Banner of the Month program kits. This is obviously the kit for October. It's called Hello Gourd Just. And we only have a few of these left because a lot of them got pre-ordered. So if you like Hello Gorgeous, it also comes in this great box with a magnetic lid that I find really useful for future projects. But we have only about 3 of those left, I think. So if you love that, get on it. We have a couple of new books. This is called Quilt Blocks Extravaganza, Scrappy Wonky Quilt Blocks. So it gives you some ideas on how to create, oh, look at that, how to create foundation blocks that will hold together, and then how to set those blocks together. We have lots of projects. Ooh, that's pretty. So if you just need some inspiration or some, a little extra ideas for, ooh, that one's fun too, for how to put together blocks in a more unique way than the structured way that a lot of quilters use. This could be really fun. Susan would like that. And then we have Seasons of Wool Applique Folk Art. We do have a nice selection of wool here, as well as a couple of teachers that teach wool projects here at the shop. But here are a lot of interesting wool projects, including a basket. That's fun. And a scissors holder. Oh, some really nice stitches too. Look at all the fun stitches. Oh, I love it. So, oh, and there's big template pages in the back as well. So another great book for wool. And it looks like you do get a lot of seasons. Oh, that's lovely. I love looking at these things with you guys. I never get time to do this in my regular job. Then we have a few new patterns. We have Hot and Heavy from by Annie. It's an iron carrier. I made one of these a while ago and it works great. And it's great if you're going to retreats or classes so you can carry your iron home without melting the inside of your car. This one is so adorable, and this is an upcoming class with Sandy. Trouble and Blue Designs Candy Corn Kitty. And then we have Chance of Rain, which, wow, I would like more chances of rain this summer. My roses would like more chances as well. Maybe if you make this, the rain will come. Then we have 3 great new Villa Rosas. These are great patterns because they are $2 and the entire pattern is right here. So it's a nice thing to just kind of keep in a binder so that when you're looking for something to make quickly, and of course this is good with large scale prints or with panels. This one is called Tropicana. That one's fun too. You could even rotate the blocks for a whole brand new look. And then this one is Lantern Hill, which has kind of that Chinese lantern design in it. And they also tell you on these patterns what is the best form of fabric to use. So this one's saying fat quarters would be good, but they always tell you. So if you love picking up pre-cuts, but you're not sure what to do with them, these patterns are a great way to start. Then over here we have cleaners and tools. These are reusable silicone brushes, so you can get down in all those little areas of your sewing machine where you blow it and nothing happens. You can use those to get all the lint out. And then these are so cute, brand new labels that you can sew into the bindings of your quilts. Baby's First Quilt, Sweet Dreams Little One in blue and pink, and then Love in Every Stitch. They are terrific. And you get, how many do you get? 3 in a pack. So if you make a lot of baby quilts, if you're in that era of your life, you can definitely snag some of these and you'll be ready. And then the one last thing I wanted to share with you is our reusable shopping bags. We bought these to help fund our own recycling bin costs because they are expensive. Everything in business is more expensive than it should be. But you can also grab these, and if you use them, you get to put your name into a drawing here at the shop, and once a month we'll be drawing for prizes. Our first prize will be drawn at the beginning of August, and I think only about 45 of these have been sold. So your chances of winning a prize are great, especially if you come and shop, because every time you come in with your bag, you get another ticket in the bowl. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you have a great afternoon. I hope something here has inspired you, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.